Arrive in style with this 2005 Kia Sedona LX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 4th passenger door, adjustable steering wheel, intermittent wipers, 3rd row seat, child safety locks, floor mats, rear AC, and driver vanity mirror. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.